If you can imagine a world that has no music in it, it would be a very different world. So music does change the world by virtue of all the music in it. I'd rather be dead than singing Satisfaction when I'm 45. I came into music just because I wanted the bread. It's true. I looked around and this seemed like the only way I was going to get the kind of bread I wanted. I must be careful not to get trapped in the past. That's why I tend to forget my songs. You have to sing every day so you can build up to be, amazingly brilliant. I have never wanted to give up performing on stage, but one day the tours will be over. The past is a great place, and I don't want to erase it or to regret it, but I don't want to be its prisoner either. Everyone knows what their roots are, but you've got to explore everywhere. You've got to explore the sky too. You can't always get what you want, but if you try sometimes, you might find you get what you need. Lose your dreams and you might lose your mind. Don't take life too seriously and always remember it is just a passing fad. It's all right letting yourself go as long as you can get yourself back. Don't you think it's sometimes wise not to grow up? The only performance that makes it all the way is the one that achieves madness.
Thank you for watching. If this video is useful, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. See you at the next video.